Hello everyone, I'm Shellie Geigle and I have this album in a box for sale. It measures 7 inches by 9 inches, the box does, and then the lid is just a little bit bigger to get over the sides. I made this with the Ciao Bella Brocata Estance paper. I used 2 of the full-size 12 by 12 packs that have 12 sheets in each, plus an additional 8-pack. For the remainder of the picture mats. So this is for sale. I did do a tutorial on how to make this that I just launched, and in the tutorial I used a purple paper, and that was with the Stamperia Province paper. But this one is for sale, and it is slightly different than the other one that I did the tutorial on, and the slight differences are, here's the lid, and underneath in the lid I did do a small envelope type box. So, and I just have a couple picture mats in there, and I'm just going to set that down so I can get at these. So there's a couple picture mats that fit inside there. And this is magnetic. This is a good place to store some of your photographs before you are matting them. Okay, so for the inside of the album, here what we have is a pocket. And inside here, you have a tag. You have some smaller picture mats. These are not designed to hold the larger pictures. These are for some smaller, or just to store some of your tags. Up here, I have a couple smaller picture mats in here, just little ones. And then down here, I have a whole stack of tags, journaling tags. You can even stick a small little photograph. So that's what is in there for storage, and there's several in here. I think there's about 6. Oop, apologize. I have my dogs barking in the background. Okay, another difference is the construction of this. Now with this, when you're placing in and out your photo mats, they stick out and it's easier to grab them out. And I'll show you what's in here. This is about a 1/2 inch thick, so you can definitely stack in the picture mats. And I will show you what is in here. I have a folder, and I have some picture mats. Oh, here's another folder. I'm upside down when I put them in there. So I got a couple folders here. I have some of these picture mats, and they are one-sided. Just wrap these out, and you can see everything that comes with this. So there's about 8 picture mats there, plus 2 folders that give you 4 more additional places in there. And they just slide in and come back behind, and they sit right on the flowers there. Okay, let's move the album down so we can take a look at everything else. So over here we have a side pocket, and I have a small picture mat, I have a medium, and then I have a large one here. Over here, this is magnetic, and it opens up to allow you to either journal or place 2 different photos. And on this one, you can slide small things back behind and store it, if you'd like. This flips up, and there's a wonderful spot right here just to place a photo. And you can also journal right here or add something, a tag. Down here, another place, and you can also place a photo down here, very large spot. This is a fold out, and you can place a photo here, and it folds out. And I have a free floating picture mat here. Great place to put some photos. You can even put a photo here. Here is a large side pocket. And I have a picture mat, and I have another folder in there. just slides right back in. Next page we have 2 pockets, and I accented a lot of the birds and the flowers with stickles. And in the pocket we just have a small little picture mat. We have a little folder here, another picture mat, and the picture mats range from the matting 4x6 to 4x4, 4x5, a whole bunch of different sizes, so you get a lot of variety in this. Over in here we have more picture mats. Here we have, and these pages are identical, you can fold this out, but this I allowed so you can slide back behind, and a little tag if you wanted. This folds out, and there's a wonderful place right here to place a photo. And this folds out, and here is a tag that is backed for strength, and I have a folder in here. Place some photos, and you can place a photo right up here, and you can journal. Do whatever you like. Over here is a pocket, and I just have a picture mat, a tag, and a small little photo mat in there. So that just snaps shut. Over here, this is a wonderful spot to place a photo, as well as right here if you'd like. So, and this just folds out. Here's a place, place a photograph. Here's another free-floating picture mat. You can place photos in here. And over here is a pocket. And a lot of people who don't like to cover up anything or have a small enough picture, you can always place your photo on the back. So that's an option. Our next page, this is a magnetic band, and I have a free-floating picture mat there tucked back behind. And this is kind of like a side waterfall or fold outs, so you just fold them out and you can just place your photos. You can place a photo right here. Over here is a pocket, and the difference on this one is in the tutorial we had a nice big cutout. On this one I did a pocket. And you can even slide something right back behind. This is a little pocket here behind that. So in here I have picture mats. The next page is just 2 very large pockets, and I have picture mats in here. And again, you can slide something small right in there just to tuck it. Tuck it right back behind if you'd like. Just like that. On this side we just have a couple picture mats. We have this little belly band. Now this I just tucked in there. It is a snug fit, so you probably don't want to put a photo on here, but you can use this either to journal on or whatever you like, but it is a snugger fit. I do want to tell you that. Or you can just leave it as is, and just like that. This is just a folder. Okay, coming to the last page, this is a free-floating picture mat. Over here we have a magnetic flip. Place for a photo there. And we have a pocket over here with some good-sized picture mats. And here is a place to tuck a tag, and you can put a photo here and you can slide it right back behind. And that is a little bit different. We didn't do that in the tutorial. This folds out and you have another pocket. And you have a place right here to plant some photos. So this is a very chunky, thick album, and it holds a lot of stuff. Here's our back page, great place where you can place photos and journal. So that is for sale. It is $179 plus shipping. This is for U.S. residents only. And the only reason why I say that is because it is very expensive and this album is very heavy. It just doesn't seem like it makes sense to me to ship internationally. It really doesn't. It's just too expensive. So if you are interested in this, you can email me. I'm not going to put it on my personal eBay. Why pay the fees? So if you are interested, I can send you a PayPal invoice to pay from. And PayPal is a safe way to do transactions because it offers buyer's protection. Okay, that is it. Underneath this video, you will find my email address if you are interested. Thanks for stopping by to check out the album. Happy crafting, everybody.